Have you ever wondered how a simple idea, maybe just a frustration you face every day, could become a SaaS business making $10,000, $50,000, even $100,000 every single month? Now hear us the shocking truth. Most of these businesses aren't started by expert coders or backed by Silicon Valley investors. They're often built by regular people who just spotted a problem and solved it. Today, I am going to break down the step-by-step SaaS blueprint that can take you from 0 to 100K month. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your idea into a business that could literally change your life. Chapter 1: Understanding SaaS. Let's start simple. What exactly is SaaS? SaaS means software as a service, a tool people pay for on a monthly or yearly subscription. And here's why it's powerful. Unlike selling something once, SaaS gives you recurring revenue. Your customers keep paying, month after month. Think of tools like Notion, Calendly, or Dropbox. But here's the twist: you don't need to create the next billion-dollar giant. There are tiny SaaS apps making $10,000, $30,000, even $100,000 a month, sometimes run by a single founder. Example: Plausible Analytics, a simple privacy-friendly Google Analytics alternative, started by 2 founders, now makes over $2 million a year. Or micro SaaS plugins for Shopify, some making $20,000 plus monthly. The point? SaaS isn't just for billionaires. It's for you. Chapter 2: Finding profitable SaaS ideas. Most beginners ask, what should I build? Wrong question. The real question is, what problem should I solve? The best SaaS businesses don't come from random app ideas. They come from painful, frequent, costly problems. Here's a 3-part filter. Pain: does it hurt enough? Frequency: does it happen often? Budget: are people already paying to solve it? If you check all 3, you've got a winner. Where to find problems? Reddit, indie hackers. Facebook groups, Red complaints. Upwork, Fiverr. If companies pay freelancers repeatedly for the same task, that's a SaaS opportunity. Your own job or experience: daily frustrations are gold. Example: small e-commerce stores struggling with customer reviews. Painful? Yes. Frequent? Yes. Already paying for marketing? Yes. Boom, that's a SaaS idea. Chapter 3: Validating your idea. Here's the trap. Beginners build for months without knowing if anyone will pay. Validation saves you. You don't need to code. You need proof of demand. How? Conversations. Talk to 10-20 potential customers. Ask, would you pay for this? Mock-ups. Use Figma or Canva to design a fake app. Landing page. Use Card or Webflow. Add a Stripe checkout button with coming soon. Pre-orders. If people sign up or pay early, you have validation. Remember, a SaaS business doesn't start with code. It starts when someone is willing to pay. Chapter 4: Building your MVP. Now it's time to build, but forget perfection. You only need an MVP, minimum viable product. Thanks to no-code tools, you don't need to be a programmer. Bubble, Glide, softer build apps. Zapier, make automations. Stripe payments. Example: if your SaaS is a feedback tool for e-commerce, your MVP might just be a simple dashboard with a feedback form. That's it. The goal isn't to impress. The goal is to test, build fast, launch faster. Chapter 5: Getting your first 10 customers. This is where most people get stuck. But here's the truth. Your first customers are closer than you think. Post on LinkedIn, Twitter, Reddit. Reach out to people in your network. Offer a free trial, then convert them into paying users. Start pricing low, $19.29 month. This shows commitment without scaring people away. Once you hit 10 paying users, congratulations, you have proof that your SaaS works. Chapter 6: Scaling to 10K month. Now the real fun begins. Getting your first few customers was exciting, but scaling to $10,000 per month is where you start to see life-changing momentum. But here's the secret. You don't scale by going broad. You scale by going narrow. Let me explain. When you launch, you might be tempted to say, my SaaS is for everyone. Maybe it's a feedback tool, or a scheduling app, or an analytics dashboard. But if you market to everyone, you connect with no one. Instead, you need to niche down. Instead of feedback tool for everyone, you say, feedback tool for Shopify sellers. See the difference? Suddenly your product speaks directly to a specific group of people. And when they see it, they think, wow, this was built for me. That sharp focus makes your product 10x more attractive. Growth strategies to hit 10K month. content marketing. Start creating blog posts, YouTube videos, or Loom tutorials that solve problems your target customers already have. Example, if your SaaS is for Shopify sellers, make a YouTube video titled How to Collect 100 Reviews in 30 Days on Shopify. In the video, you naturally showcase your tool. This positions your product as the solution. Partnerships. Don't grow alone. Collaborate with influencers, consultants, or agencies who already serve your niche. For example, if your SaaS is for Shopify stores, partner with a Shopify coach who has 10,000 followers. Give them free access, maybe even affiliate revenue, and they'll promote you to their audience. Build in public. Share your journey on Twitter, Indie Hackers, or LinkedIn. Show your struggles, your wins, and your customer stories. People love cheering for underdogs, and when they see your growth, they become curious about your product. Customer support equals marketing. Here's something most founders miss. Your support is part of your growth strategy. Every time you help a customer, you're creating loyalty. Happy customers tell their friends. A single happy user can bring 5 more. Think about it. Would you rather spend $500 on Facebook ads or just turn 10 customers into superfans who promote you for free? That's how you hit 10K month, not with crazy tactics, but by focusing deeply on a niche, creating content, building relationships, and obsessing over your customers. Chapter 7 from $10,000 to 100K month. Once you cross 10K month, you've proven your product works. Now the challenge is scaling operations so you can 10x that revenue. At this stage, the business shifts. It's no longer about can I get customers, but about how do I grow without breaking. Step 1. Hire strategically. You can't do everything alone anymore. Start small. Hire freelancers or part-time developers to handle bug fixes. Bring on a virtual assistant for support, maybe a part-time marketer to manage content or ads. Think of it like this. Every hour you spend fixing bugs is an hour you're not growing the business. Offload the tasks that don't require your unique vision. Step 2. Add premium features. To scale revenue, you need to serve bigger customers who will pay more. Add AI-powered insights. Create integrations with popular tools Shopify, Slack, Notion, etc. Offer advanced analytics dashboards. Small customers pay $29 month. Big businesses will pay $199 month or more if you solve a painful problem. Step 3. Create pricing tiers. Don't stick to one flat price. Offer at least 3 levels. $29 basic, $99 pro, $199 enterprise. Here's why this works. Some customers just want the basics, others want premium features and will gladly pay more. Multiple tiers let you capture both. Step 4. Expand growth channels. When you're at 10K month, organic growth and referrals might slow down. Now you add fuel to the fire. Paid ads Google, Meta, LinkedIn. Affiliate programs. Pay influencers or creators of revenue. SaaS marketplaces. Launch on AppSumo, Product Hunt, or niche directories. The golden rule. Retention acquisition. Acquiring new customers is expensive, but keeping them costs almost nothing. So focus on reducing churn. Send onboarding emails. Offer live chat support. Keep shipping small improvements every month. If customers feel you care, they'll stay longer. And if they stay longer, your revenue compounds. Fun fact, most SaaS founders who stay consistent reach 100K month in 12-24 months. Chapter 8 Mistakes to avoid now. Before you get too excited, let's talk about the traps that kill most SaaS startups. Building before validation. Don't spend 6 months coding only to realize nobody cares. Validate first. Targeting everyone. If your SaaS is for everyone, it's for no one. Niche down. Underpricing. If you charge 5 month, you'll attract bad customers and struggle to scale. Your time is valuable. Price accordingly. Ignoring customer feedback. Your users are telling you what they need. Listen. The fastest way to grow is to build what paying customers ask for. Remember, most SaaS startups don't fail because of competition. They fail because of these avoidable mistakes. Chapter 9 Tools and Resources. Here's your starter kit, literally all you need. Bubble, Glide, Softer, build your app without code. Zapier, make automate workflows and connect tools. Stripe, Paddle, accept payments globally. Indie Hackers, Reddit SaaS communities for feedback and support. Don't get distracted by shiny objects. These tools are more than enough to take you from 0 to your first paying users. Chapter 10 Final Blueprint Recap. Let's recap the entire roadmap. Find a painful problem. Validate before you build. Build a simple MVP with no code. Land your first 10 paying users. Niche down and grow to 10K month. Expand features, team, and pricing tiers until you hit 100K month. That's it. No venture capital, no coding degree, no massive team. Just persistence, creativity, and execution. And there you have it, the beginner-friendly SaaS blueprint. From idea to 100K month, step by step. Now I want to hear from you. If you started today, what SaaS idea would you build? Drop it in the comments, let's brainstorm together. And if you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and follow for more SaaS and AI deep dives. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. So take the blueprint, pick a niche, and start building.